All right, hey guys, welcome to my channel, SFDC Guide. I want to give you guys kind of a quick intro to this channel, talk about what my videos are about, who I am, and what you guys can expect in more videos to come. All right, so first a little bit about myself. My name is Luke. I'm originally from the west coast of the United States, but I actually live and work in São Paulo, Brazil. And I work remotely for various clients doing Salesforce development and administration work. Some of them are big clients, some of them are really small clients, some of them are in the United States, and some of them are here in South America. So I have a pretty diverse set of experiences around working within the Salesforce ecosystem and with different types of businesses. In my free time, I like to travel, I like to cook, I like to read, and I like to work on this project, which is SFDC Guide, making videos to hopefully help other people that are in the same position as me. So now let's talk a little bit about the channel. I worked for 3 years at Salesforce, and during that time I had the opportunity to work with some really exceptional, really smart, really great people, and I learned a lot. When I left Salesforce and moved abroad, I realized there was kind of a gap between the new work that I was doing, working essentially freelance as an administrator and a developer, and what I had learned at Salesforce. I had learned kind of the best practices, working with really large clients, building out kind of sophisticated things. And then I started working for smaller clients who needed quicker solutions, who needed messier solutions, who didn't necessarily have the same quality of data or the same size of workforce, things like that. And I realized there's a lot of variables that I had never learned how to address. And so I had to do a lot of learning. And what I tried to do was I tried to find tutorials and content to help me do that learning. And I like to learn through watching videos. I like to learn through watching examples, watching other people work. And what I found was that there weren't very many good tutorials out there for the kind of things that I wanted to do. And what I mean by that is the examples weren't really relevant. The videos were really long and really boring. The quality of the sound and the audio was really bad. It was usually someone recording themselves with their computer microphone and capturing their screen at the same time. And usually I would just give up watching and I would go back to searching on Stack Overflow for whatever solution it was that I was looking for. And after a while I realized that I might be a person who could help fill this gap. So I started this channel, and my goal was kind of to make tutorials that, for lack of a better term, didn't suck. So ideally they would have good audio quality, good video quality. The examples that I used would be pretty simple but relevant. They would be based on work that I was doing in the real world, and they would touch on a wide variety of topics. So hopefully I can meet these goals, and ultimately you guys as the viewers will be the ones who decide whether or not this content is useful for you. Now, I'll do my best in this new year to create videos at kind of a more even pace. In the last year I had a couple personal and professional projects that I had to dedicate my time to, and I wasn't able to create as many videos as I would have liked to. But this project is always in my mind. Every week I do think of new ideas and new examples for videos that I would like to make just to share some knowledge and share some content with you guys. So obviously there's lots more to come. I hope you'll consider subscribing, and if you have any feedback on my videos, if you have any questions, if you have any recommendations, absolutely send those over. The best way to send them is if you're watching a specific video and you have a question, leave a comment on that video. Or you can leave a comment directly here on the channel page. And I try to respond to every single one of those comments in a super timely manner. And I appreciate all the feedback, all the questions, and all the views. Anyways, that's it for this video. Hopefully that gives you a quick intro into what this channel is all about, who I am, and the kind of videos that you can expect from me in this coming year. Thanks for watching, and consider subscribing. I will see you in my videos.